Rouse's and Buffalo Wild Wing customers can soon get deliveries by drone.
Photojournalist Matt Goen shows you how one local company is making this possible.
What can drones be used for? Can they be used to deliver products and goods? And Philip was looking at it going, does this make retail centers stay relevant? Does it help with real estate management? Does it help retailers get product out to customers in a better way? So the drone's going to take off, go to the customer based on the customer's GPS coordinates. But when it gets to the customer, we want it to land in a specific place, not just wherever around the customer's property. So the other thing is you're going to see something that so far we think we're one of the first companies to have focused on, which is detect and flight manage. Find a flat spot on your property. You can put this in your backyard, you can put it in your front yard, you can put it on your driveway, wherever you feel comfortable that you want it to go. Speed of delivery, we don't have traffic, we don't have all that stuff, and we don't have to worry about following the roads as the crow flies.
In the coming weeks, you can have a QR code delivered to your home, and that will tell the drone operator exactly where to land.